this is where we are staying. The Port Orleans French Quarter. And over there, quite over that way, is the quick serve, and they do milk and some light bites and some quick serve meals. That's where you get the big neats, I think it's called, something like that. Over there's the gift shop, and over there's where we checked in last night. As recording this, it was last night we checked in. It's quite pretty, isn't it? Right, in a change of plans, we're eating in the hotel restaurants. I've got a pulled pork burger and chips, and Pauline has a chicken pasta, big lump of chicken with pasta and garlic bread. So it's quite reasonably priced as well. It looks quite nice, doesn't it? This is where our room is. We're in block 1 on level 3. There's a car park where you can park cars, but we're not parked there. And then we've got to go down here to the exit, and there's a lift that goes down. I won't video all the way to the front desk. It's not a long walk, but it's long enough. We're in building number 1. But anyway, I'm starting out there. Just there is the safe. And obviously there's grab rails all around the toilet. Excuse the towels on the floor. It's in the right order, really. But anyway, so I'm just showing you, I'm on my scooter here, right? So I can drive in quite easily on my scooter. And you've got the bath there, there's some hanging bits there. That bit up there pulls across, so we need to dry anything, you pull that across. There's a shower there, there's a, I don't know if you can see it there, there's a shower down the bottom. Yeah. And there's 2 grab rails there, and then I was sitting on the scooter onto the side there, and then my wife helped lower me into the bath there. So that was lots of grab rails there, obviously the H2 and all that sort of stuff. And then you then got your sink, which is this me with long hair. Sink at the right sort of level for me. You can turn his chair around, but you can see there that's the right sort of level there. Sorry, this is very quick. The basic stuff is kind of in there. You've got the power outlets there. You've got a mirror, that sort of stuff there. But I wanted to sort of more show it, not so much what's in here, but how easy it is for me to scoot around it. So if I go a bit forward, then I'm scooting backwards a bit. On the toilet there. There's a little bit of like that, but it's easy to get out, and then I can then go straight out. Pauling's going to there. I won't necessarily do a tour of what I can show you as I just scoot out maybe. Let me just do a little 16-point turn. Well, that's it there. So that's basically our room anyway. We've got 2 beds there. Again, excuse all that. 2 beds there. There's power points over there on that unit. 2 lights there for those. 2 lights up there. There's a light switch, I think, is at the door there. That's Pauline getting bits ready there. There's the big telly. Go a bit forward there. There's the big telly. There's power points, I think, there. And then you've got that cabinet there, which has got things hanging up in. I'm doing this very quickly, but that's got a fridge in it. Obviously, drawers there. So again, even that you can see there. I don't know how this is compared to other rooms, but there's an awful lot of room here for my scooter. A lot of it, I can actually sort of scoot down the side there as well. So I can't scoot down that side, but I'm not worried about that side. But I can get my scooter down there, obviously come in through the door and do 3-point turns all around there. Just behind me, it's a lovely picture. And then to the left of the picture is the temperature control for the unit, which is kind of down near the window. So that's our quick room tour. Not too in depth, but it's more to show you how easy it is for me in this travel scooter to get around the room and the bathroom. Yeah, there's the lifts there, and we can see there, just there, that's the river, and that's the boats, which will take you all the way that way to Disney Springs. So we are quite close to the water, which is not facing it from our room. But there you go. We just come back from a Walmart on Turkey Lake Road, and Pauline just gone back to the room, but I thought I'd come down by the riverside because we've never seen this during the day. Always be on this of an evening. But that's the boat that takes us from our resort to Disney Springs. I think this is the Sasagula River. Don't quote me if I'm wrong. slowing down a bit. They have to do certain speeds. I've noticed that they slow down at various points in this. Wherever they're slowing, because right ahead of us is the boat dock for our resort. Or they could be slowing down because they could be... there's two boats there. So maybe they're waiting for a boat to leave before they can actually... more to there. There's two boats there. There's one that way and there's also one that way, by the looks of it. Every time we've been down there's only ever been one boat, not two. You can see the way that the water's quite choppy. Not choppy, but it's on the boat you do notice it. When they go a little bit fast, they can slow down a bit once they go past through the wake. So anyway, but yeah, that's our hotel there. So it's very pretty, certainly a lot prettier on a nice sunny day. I'll give it that. We've just left the building there, and again there, just over there is the river, and you can probably stroll along there to the front. That's the next building, building number 2, and oh look, little horses. Because this is Port Orleans era, in the days of Port Orleans world, you'd walk up there and you'd tie your horses up there. Horse and cart maybe, or at least horses, isn't it? And you've got, oh, lovely lanterns up there, look at those. Very fancy. And it's, where are we? Pontchartrain Way. There we go, I can't even say it again. That's where we are, we're on the way. This is the way. In the middle of this courtyard, there's a fountain with a T. We know certain American vloggers miss out the T. It's Face Mount Inn and Splash Mount Inn. But it's Mountain. So it's a fountain with a T. Anyway, this is more of that. Building 3 there, building 2 again. There's Pauline walking ahead. She leaves me behind as usual as I'm doing a bit of videoing. Yeah, we're still making our way to the front. You've got a little kids playground there. Through there you can see those water fountains jetting up there. That's the splash pool come swimming pool area. Obviously we can't swim, so we won't be going into that. And then this is literally how we get to the entrance through there. You've got a gift shop is there. That's the Sasagula fast foody place. I'm just going for a little bit there because we go down this stretch again. There's there. And you can see there, look, the Port Orleans crocodiles. With right down the bottom. Let me go down the bottom. Let's go a bit closer. There's the crocodiles playing drums and playing his banjo. We've got another one there playing his saxophone, and I think he's what he's got there. Oh, cymbals, yeah, I couldn't think of the word, he's doing cymbals. And then there's restrooms there, that's a little bar there. And there's the Port Orleans, oh, this is a lot closer to the splash pool area. And that's it there, isn't it? So there's more buildings either side there. But I could have been a bit too close there to see him there. And then he's behind me. But there he is, the little Port Orleans Chester. Well, this is the back side. So again, we've got the gift shop there. We've got what? We've got the gift shop there. We've got the that there, and there we are. Look, Port Orleans is the entrance. We've got a disabled entrance. You press the button there. I'll do that. Oh look, 50th Walt Disney World. Bath, not Bath, Matt. Right. Into there, float works again, another little fountain. I showed some of this on another video, I'm not sure I haven't edited this one yet. And then I can't reach that one. That was not almost cracked the door for me. And there we go again. So again, got a 50th logo on that one. Some seats, if you want to wait for some seats. Take the mask off now. And then this is where we're parked over that side. The buses come in here for transportation, and we've got the 2 bus stops over there. And that's where we're heading now. Oh, Figment! That was us. Magic. Dodgems, it's Dodgems. Magic Kingdom.
Yeah, Magic Kingdom too. You already have the rest down.
Okay. There's a big mate. We're going to that one. We're just going to go to Big Mug, or we can hang on this one. Thank you. And Master inside.
Are you with her? Are you with her?